My summer playlist.
My summertime station.
I wanna know.
Mga taga-Luzon, ang alingatong The Miracle Roots na matagal na natin pinagkakatiwalaan sa mahabang panahon at nagpagaling sa ating mga iniindang sakit. Ngayon ay nasa kapsula na. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. FDA approved from GreenMed Pharma.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time. It's now 11:44 in the morning. 11:44 a.m. Hey, Red Alingatong Capsule now available at leading drugstores nationwide. Available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Subukan Red Alingatong Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. And time now for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. But first, before that, a couple of invites for you guys, a couple of announcements muna. Ayan, iniimbitahan natin lahat ng Batch 1990 alumni sa Olongapo City National High School. Batch 1990, you guys will be having your summer get-together party. May 12, 2024 at the City Beach in Barrio Barreto. Ayan, okay. Yung City Beach, Barrio Barreto, katabi lang yan ng driftwood di ba? Bago ka mag-drift sa wood, doon ka muna mag-drip sa City Beach. Once again, OCNHS alumni, Batch 1990, you guys will be having your summer get-together. If you happen to know somebody who belongs to the batch, to the alumni, well, let them know. Maybe your friends, relatives, neighbors, kamag-anak, or kung anik-anik pa. O shout out na rin, by the way, sa inyo, all Batch 1990 alumni, especially the officers and the group coordinators. Ayan, dahil without their kasipagan sa pag-organize nito, walang get-together. Ang masisipag na officers and coordinators of Batch 1990. Hi, you guys. How you doing? How you doing? Okay. I'm awaiting on you guys to come up with a date, with a schedule to promote this. Malapit na, May 12 na. Tomorrow, 30. Isang araw na lang ang April. Ano na? Kakantahin ko ba? It's gonna be May. All that I do is not enough for you. It's gonna be May. Umulit pa, no? So yeah, you guys schedule your radio guesting to promote live the Batch 90 Summer Get Together. Alam niyo mangyayari pagka any organizations, pag nag-summer get-together, maraming tao nag-get-together, alam nyo mangyayari? Amoy daing. Ang init tapos nag-get-together. Pero nasa beach naman, pwede naman maligo. Maligo nga ako. Okay, so that's the invites, the announcement, the plugging. And on with today's latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport, SBMA gets upgraded on the GOCC classification. As you guys all know, SBMA is a government-owned and controlled corporation. GOCC. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has approved the upgrade of the classification of the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority along with two other government-owned and controlled corporations pursuant to Executive Order Number 24, Series of 2011. In a memorandum from Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin to Finance Secretary Ralph G. Recto, the President has approved the classification upgrade of the SBMA, the Authority of the Freeport Area of Bataan or AFAB, and the PVDEC Industrial Authority. According to the said memo that was received by the SBMA, the request for classification upgrade was granted after careful and stringent evaluation based on the provisions contained in Section 6 of EO 24 Series of 2011, entitled GOCC Classification. The said provision determines the maximum allowable compensation of the members of the Board of Directors, trustees in GOCC and the government financial institutions. The same section also provides that for a GOCC such as the SBMA to be upgraded from C to B, the agency is required to have assets worth equal to more than 25 billion pesos and or less than 100 billion, and revenues equal to more than 2.5 billion and less than 10 billion. All right? Meanwhile, SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose Alino expresses gratitude to President Marcos for approving the upgrade of the agency's classification and to Finance Secretary Recto for facilitating the request for classification upgrade of the concerned GOCCs. Wow, this is a welcome news for everybody in the SBMA, huh? Our SBMA brothers and sisters. This is gonna be good for our dear agency, of course. Upgrade eh. Siyempre, when you say upgrade, alam mo na, hindi naman downgrade eh. Yun nga yung kabaligtaran eh. So, upgrade is, it means great things happening, will be coming your way, di ba? All right, so that's the latest. This is we have this report from Zambales Herald News Online. Okay. And ZMM GCOP Hospital would like to remind everybody, last day na tomorrow in celebration of the Occupational Medicine Week, the special treat for Olongapo and SBFC employees, laboratory and diagnostic test, 10% discount. Last day na bukas, so you guys better hurry. Head on to ZMM GCOP Hospital today or tomorrow, last day na. Bahala kayo kung gusto yun last day. Basta, ZMM GCOP Hospital's Occupational Medicine Week special treat for Olongapo and SBFC employees. Just bring your valid ID. Kung ano man yung company ID ninyo or perhaps your ID that you present at the main gate. Parang anong tawag doon? The ID for entrance and exit. Or gate pass kung tawagin, parang ganon. Ayan, o kagaya nung present ni DJ Masky Mix. No, 'di ba? Kaya nga nakapasok 'yan sa sa Subic Bay Freeport dahil may ID tapos pogi pa. Yan din yung reason kung ba't hindi pinapapasok yung elepante sa kasi walang ID. 'Di ba no? Okay. Kala ko pagkain ko eh. For more inquiries, call 602-0279 at ZMMG, the landline hotline, or cellphone number 0981-319-5240. Okay? ZMMG Cop Hospital, number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. All right. And here's a couple more invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the summer sale of our home happening for the entire month of April. Ayan. Up to 80% off ha. Grabe na to. Diba? Binagsak na yung 80%. 20% na lang ang babayaran mo. So visit our home now, located at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And also do check out the Buy One, Take One Festival, April 26th to the 30th. Alright? At all SM Super Malls. Naku, last day na nito bukas. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa na-check out yung check out no? Parang lang, no? Parang online shopping lang. No? I-check out mo na yan. Buy One, Take One Festival, April 26th to the 30th at all SM Super Malls. Okay? And do check out the big summer sale happening at all SM stores. Present the voucher that's on the... there's a link for this. Etong voucher na to, makikita nyo sa official Facebook page. You can find the voucher at the official Facebook page of SM Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown for all of us here in Olongapo, of course. But it's a SM store nationwide thing. Big summer sale, April 27 up until May 1. Alright? Vouchers like 300 pesos off. Tatagpuan nyo. And meron ding 200 off for non-SMAC members, yung mga walang SM Advantage card. Ayan, 200 pesos off na voucher. Hanggang May 1 na lang ha. So you guys better hooray! Okay? And check out the Karamia Cakes and Gelato. Alright? It will be opening soon. Malapit na. Opening soon at SM City Olongapo Central. Ayan. Saang level nga yun? Basta sa SM City Olongapo Central. It will open soon. Delicious cakes and gelato. Gelato is another term or another word for ice cream. Yan. Oh, yun na, naalala ko na anong word to. Minion. Minion language. No, seriously, gelato is it means ice cream, pero ginamit kasi ng ng Minions eh, 'di ba? Naalala kung napanood yun yung Minions nung dumaan yung ice cream truck, they were like, "Gelato, gelato. Gelato. Gelato." Pero kung papakinggan mo, parang lang parang batang bulol na gustong maglagay ng gel sa buhok. Gelato, gelato. Gelato. Ayan, it will be opening soon at SM City Olongapo Central at the ground level lang. Oh, di ba? Oh, yung mga sa ground level lang, pwede magtakbuhan yung kids habang sumisigaw ng gelato, gelato, gelato. Karamiya for you. Yeah, it will be opening soon, ha? That's what I'm trying to say. Ito naman open na. Miniso at the SM Downtown. Okay, at the ground level. It's now open for all of you big fans of the Miniso stuff. Mm-hmm. And also, Summer Pet Fair. This happened last Sunday, last Saturday, over the weekend. And the Jobs Fair will be happening May 1, 9 a.m. at the ground level. Okay, mga naghahanap ng trabaho. This is in coordination with the Department of Labor of the Philippines, or Region 3. So check out the massive job hiring, job fair that will be happening May 1 at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. I-read nyo na yung mga resume ninyo, okay? And lastly, my girl Milk Tea and Coffee. All right, it's now open at the second level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check it out. If you haven't tried My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee yet, try mo na yan, okay? And on with our next birthday celebrant song now. We're going to be playing this song from Elmo Magalona. He is one of today's birthday celebrants, the son of the master rapper of the Philippines, Francis Magalona. And this is his version of his father's original hit, CSN, a.k.a. Cold Summer Nights, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.